The Supreme Court decision to grant American presidents at least some immunity from criminal prosecution has been labelled a win by Donald Trump and a disaster by others. The ruling means Trump could be protected from prosecution over his alleged attempts to overturn the 2020 election result. It wasn't a unanimous decision, the dissenting judges warning it creates a king above the law who could carry out military coups or even political assassinations without consequence.
For all practical purposes, today's decision almost certainly means that there are virtually no limits on what the president can do.
Hurricane Beryl has been upgraded to a Category 5 storm as it continues to leave a trail of destruction across the Caribbean. Union Island, north of Grenada, has reported 90% of its houses have been severely damaged or destroyed. So far, one person has died.
We have reports of extensive storm surge. We have reports of extensive loss of roof and damage to buildings.
And while most of the world is winding back work hours, Greece is introducing a 6-day work week. Workers will have the option of an additional 2 hours a day or an extra 8-hour shift each week, with a 40% pay boost for the additional hours. It's been spurred on by a shrinking population and a shortage of skilled workers.
What do you reckon, Miff?
Not the vibe.
Yeah,
Not the vibe. Everywhere else in the world is hoping to perhaps reduce the working week to help us all with our work-life balance, general happiness, all the things that lead to a medical system that is struggling. And now they're doing this. It's always the people at the bottom that have to suffer in these situations.
It's like a 40% increase in pay, though?
Look,
Would you do it for an extra couple of hours a day? So you do 4 longer days. No, it's 5 longer days.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a terrible idea.
6 days. I don't work 6 hours a day, so like, I don't know.
It's pretty easy for you to add a
bit of time.
Yeah.
What are the Greeks? When are they going to? They're going to have to do all their plate smashing in one day. Where are they
Yeah,
gonna...
I'm pretty sure that's all they do. They just hang around doing that. That's
I've never been to
weekend.
Greece, but that's what I think about it.
Yeah, I just wonder, there's a lot of talk about wanting to cut immigration and stuff like that. I think this is the flip side of it, though, right? If your workforce shrinks and you can't fund things, then you need to get the productivity from somewhere.
Oh,
That's
open the
Acropolis
borders.
wasn't built in a day, Waleed.
that's true.